teach you on how to have those creative Word documents for your activities. So I just got a paragraph from the net and I'm just gonna use this as a basis. So first thing you will do is go to the insert tab and then click the shapes. Next is just click that one and drag it until you can make this curvy lines at the top part, and it depends on you if you want to fill it with a solid color or you can use a picture from your desktop and then just edit it on what you want it to be. And here just put some shadows and I just make its border transparent, and here I just added another pictures. And there you have it. Next is just add a text box and then you can put there your paragraph. So here, this is just an example of what I did. Next tip, I'm gonna teach you on how to have a handout instead of printing those slides, which can consume a lot of space on your bond paper and you will use more bond paper. So instead of having those, is just click the file tab, then go to export, and here you will click create handout and then click that one. Then you will have these choices, so it depends on you if what you want to choose, but personally I just use the notes only, and then the Microsoft Word will open and here is your notes. Instead of printing those for about 4 to 5 pages, you will end up printing 1 page of your bond paper. So you can adjust the size and you can also highlight the text. So what I prefer when I'm printing my modules, I change the layout, make it into 2 columns, and then I change its orientation into landscape and make the margins narrow. Then you can save it and print it to have your notes when studying. For my third tip, you will make a folders on your every subject, because as the time goes by, you will have a lot of modules and files that you will save on your laptop, and if you put it on just one folder, you will be overwhelmed with that amount of files, and eventually you're gonna procrastinate of finding it. So as early as now, I suggest that you make folders on your every subject. So here I have a folder for my school, and under that is I have my first SEM folder, and under my first SEM folder I have the subfolders, and under those subjects I have the subfolders where I allocate my modules, activities, assignments, and so on. So that's the tip. Organize your files as early as now. So don't just organize your files digitally or on your laptop only, also on your printed modules. So I have this file or paper organizer, and then I have this names on my specific subject so that it will be easier for me to locate my modules on that specific subject. For the next tip is make your to-do list. So personally, I use Google Keep from the web, and another thing with this is you can access it on your phone so that it will be easier for you to add your reminders or notes without opening your laptop. Another thing with this is by dragging it to the side, it will become a sub to-do. Is that a thing? But another is you can change its color and make a reminder on it. Another to-do list that I use is the Google Calendar. So also you can access this on your phone. What's the good thing with this is that you can add your school calendar. So I just add my Canvas calendar from the Canvas account to my Google Calendar so that I can see the deadlines and the submissions that I have to pass on a specific subject. So here I just add a to-do for that day. Another thing is you can access here your Google Keep so that you can track your to-dos. And you can also add more apps like Zoom, but mostly what I use is this weekly planner. So I bought this from SHOPEE, and you can put your to-do list here each week. So for me, it is much more convenient because you can easily write down your to-dos for that day. Another tip is be ready 15 to 10 minutes before your classes starts, because there might be technical difficulties or issues that you will encounter when you ready for about 3 minutes before the class. And also by being ready, you will also prepare your stuff that you're gonna use. Get your pencil, ball pen, notebooks, and all. And yes, we just finished our class. For the next step is I'm gonna teach you on how to convert your PDF file into Word document or PDF to a JPG file or PNG file, so that you can easily or highlight those words that you want to highlight. And I'm gonna open PDF to image.com. I'm gonna link it down below. So here I just click the PDF to document and click upload file, and then I uploaded the PDF file. And after you save those, you will have this document type of that PDF. And here you can easily highlight and get some notes that you want to take for your study session. Next is you can also convert it from PDF to a JPG file. So here I just insert this PDF file, and here I have this JPG file of that PDF. Next step is to print your module. So this one is optional. I mean, all of this are optional, but personally I like to study with my notes on the notebook or a bond paper instead of having those on my laptop. So yeah, just print your modules ahead of time, and also with this you can have it as your notes when your teacher is having her lesson. Next step is make your activities, assignments as soon as possible or as soon as you receive them. But please don't push yourself on doing it when you're not feeling well or you just have a lot of things to do. So, if your mind is already refreshed, then you can start with it and finish it ahead of time. And please don't procrastinate. That's another tip. And lastly is reward yourself. Don't push yourself on doing a lot of tasks. This might result to burnout. Yes, just have a balance for your fun life and for your education life. Have a reward to yourself. You can watch Netflix, eat, and also have time with your family. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.